Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this daily update on Sui. I've been covering this daily for a while now, but right now it's actually pretty hyped up. There's a ton of news and just in general a ton of mind share about it on X, etc., and in the crypto world. So just wanted to give you my thoughts and a quick spoiler alert. My thoughts haven't changed. All right, even with the situation right now. Which is, I mean, if we talk about the situation right now for Sui, right? So what's going on is that Sui got that grayscale trust earlier last week, all bullish. The fundamentals are doing good. You can see the TVL has risen to 800 million from 500 million, which it was a week ago. So that's great as well. That's obviously also fueled to a large extent by the price move, which is a 100% move, which is, I mean, that's obviously going to inflate the TVL. And then the big thing that's going on right now is that it seems like Sui is paying a lot of KOLs, key opinion leaders and influencers to shill this coin and that it's good. Which is, I mean, that's fine. That's the market. But I that's not going to convince me. All right. I mean, Sui itself, it's decent, and I do think it can rally. But the moves we've seen so far, and in general, I also think that if you check the volume for Sui, for example, and where that's coming from, there's a lot of volume coming from sources which I think are shady. I don't trust this. All right, I still think, and this is what I said the last time around as well. Like, Sui has potential, but it's definitely not one of the best chains out there. And I still think if you go to the daily time frame, like, we got a massive resistance level at $1. That's still, like, I still have a price alert to short there. I think that's still like $1 plus the 200 EMA plus a very strong key level in general. I still think that's the best play to do. Even though it's being shilled, which is, by the way, not necessarily a bullish thing. That's also, it also creates some sort of a negative brand image. But the thing is that can we break above $1? Yes, all right. Especially if Bitcoin is able to stick the bounce here. If the markets get bullish, then there's definitely room for some sort of a Sui narrative. And the whole entire rotation of Sui, Sei, Celestia, and Injective is also still relatively strong here. But I need to see it break above $1 first. All right, as long as we haven't broken above $1 on the daily or the 12-hour time frame, I'm not convinced. And I think technically we are still consolidating here between $1 and this level right here around 60 cents. So as long as that's not broken, and given the fact right now that there's such a spotlight on all the marketing around Sui, I think that's more of a negative at this point of time, after the 100% move, than a positive. So I still think it's most likely that we will find resistance at $1. And if after finding resistance at $1, we still have a lot of momentum, then I might have to admit I was wrong, right? So if you look at the open interest right now for Sui, it's super bullish, right? At this point of time, Sui is still bullish. And you can also see we're not at $1 yet. So I think we'll still stay bullish until we hit that area. But also, if after we hit $1, we're able to hold 85 cents, for example, while the open interest is also still holding up, then I'm probably wrong. And we will break above $1, rally up to 1.15, 1.25, and we'll be bullish. But as long as I haven't seen that, I have to say we will hold $1 as resistance, and that from there we will turn bearish, all right? Which is still the current market structure as well. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.